Well, hello there everyone. Welcome to my kitchen. I'm Christy, and today I will be making a delicious veggie spread. Now this is perfect spread on bagels, crackers, spread it in some celery. It's just delicious. It is loaded with vegetables and full of flavor. I've got all my ingredients here on my counter. I'm just going to go over them with you as I make it. The full recipe will be in the description box below, but we've got to get started because it's that time to get cooking. All right, so I've got my vegetables here, and I'm just going to take one stalk of celery, cut it into some large pieces, place it in my food processor, and I'm just going to blend this up until it's finely chopped. All right, then I'm just going to place my celery into a bowl. Set the bowl aside, and then I'm going to cut up some pepper. I'm starting with some red bell pepper and some green bell pepper. Then I'm going to place my pepper in the food processor and do the same thing. All right. Add this to the bowl. All right, then I'm going to peel a carrot. Same thing. Next is an onion. And I'm only going to do about half of this onion. I'm not going to use all of that onion though. I only need about 1/4 cup of each. And I'm just going to dump them on a paper towel. And I'm going to squeeze out all the liquid. All right, then I'm going to add my vegetables back to the bowl. All right, so I'm going to mince some garlic. All right, so to my vegetables, I'm going to add an 8-ounce package of cream cheese. And this cream cheese has been sitting out at room temperature for a couple hours, so it's nice and soft. All right, now I'm going to give a pinch of salt, a pinch of black pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon of smoked paprika. I'm also going to zest a lemon. This just will give it nice, fresh flavor. And I'm going to squeeze the juice, just about a tablespoon, and just mix it all together. All right, so that's all there is to this delicious veggie spread. Spread it on some crackers. All right, or you could spread it on some bagels, and these are my homemade bagels. They are so delicious. If you haven't seen that video, go check it out. I'll give you the link to it. But thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you have a wonderful day. God bless, and I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.